What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 35 of the Chris Sain 100K challenge. As you can see on screen, it's Friday, August 27th. Hope everybody had a phenomenal green week. But before we get into it, you know how we do it. If you want to help yourself out to 2 free stocks, click the link down below in the description and sign up for Webull today. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into my tracker. All right, guys, here we are inside my tracker. From this point moving forward, guys, I'm going to go ahead and start out on this tab. Reason being, I told you guys in the past 2 episodes that my portfolio tab is still jacked up. So moving forward, we're gonna go ahead and put the balance of my portfolio in the previous week. Moving forward, that way you guys know where my portfolio stands at each week as we move into Q4 of the challenge. So just a FYI, if you're wondering why I'm not showing that anymore, because it's, again, like I said before, still jacked. So we'll be tracking this way, and for this week, I did not deposit any more cash, so I still stand at $8,900 deposited for this challenge. Last week, we landed on $11,652.62, and we're about to dive into my app here in a second to show you where I'm at. Transactions, I did not make any transactions this week. My trailing stop loss did trigger the GNOG sell. That's why you see that there on the last line. So options, the conference from Jerome Powell killed my Halion put that I had. All my stock plays went up dramatically. So right now, I still have Av Point and I still have Tattoo Chef still in play for my options, and so I still have Av Point and Tattoo Chef still in play for my options right now. I'm currently sitting at 12,209.42. Had a pretty decent week, definitely better than last week. I'm sure all you guys had a better week this week than last week. For the week, made about a little bit over $500. Let's see, a little bit over 4.2%. Buying power still remains at 21.32.29. Let's go ahead and go through the plays. Here we are at Av Point for the week. A little bit above 8.3%, so doing very, very well. Still down the total return of 32.64%, but average cost of 14.40. AMC for the week up 17%. Let's see, total market value, total return a little bit above 2.4% with the average cost of 40.03. Future FinTech for the week, flatlined at 0%. Total return still down a little bit over 31% with the average cost of 363. Tattooed Chef for the week up 18%. Total return down a little bit over 19% with the average cost of 24.80. Workhorse for the week is a little bit over 8%, 8.3%, but I'm still down 35% with the average cost of 15.12. But it's actually doing a little bit better than anticipated, but it's looking like it's making its way back slowly but surely. So hopefully it cracks $10 in the next week or so. Halion for the week, 9.4%. Total return down only 18% now. Slowly but surely getting back to where I need to be so I can break even and sell this thing. Average cost is still sitting at 11.14. Apple for the week, pretty much flatline too. Total return a little bit above 16.5% with the average cost of 126.99. Crestwood Equity for the week, a little bit above 2.2%. Total return 56% with the average cost of 17.48. And Innovative Industrial Properties for the week, a little bit above 2%. The average, Innovative Industrial Properties, a little bit above 2% for the week. Total return a little bit over 540% with the average cost of 37.38. Let me know how you guys did or are still doing in the whole Chris Sain dividend challenge. Kind of curious where everybody stood, because he really didn't go he really didn't go over how well he did during that challenge. So I was kind of curious how well you guys did. And right now I still have these 4 options still moving and grooving. Sundial Growers 6.67%, Genius Brands 2.78%, Tattoo Chef down 11.36%, and App Point put option down 20% for the week. So now I want to show you my account so you guys can see what I put in and what I didn't put in. All right, guys, here we are. It's time my completed transfers that I have so far. The last one that I did was August 10th for $500. I plan to put some more money in my account probably next week or the week after, probably just $500. And also plan to buy one of Chris Sain's plays. I don't know if you guys are in the Patreon or not. Let me know if you are down below, but people are saying left and right that his option plays are hitting. A few of his that I did purchase early in the year did, as you guys saw, that I tracked how well they did. So next week I'll be doing that, and I'll let you guys know how well they did. So that way you guys can get into it if you decide to. So just a little food for thought. And with that being said, guys, if you made this far in the video, give your boy the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and the notification bell while you're at it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.